I'm Zane Lamprey. A decade ago, we launched the Adventure Hoodie on Kickstarter, which became the most funded hoodie in crowdfunding history. Why? Because we redefined what the hoodie could be. We made it our mission to get... Okay, stop. Hold on a second. We're not here to impress you with an incredible video. We're here to impress you with an incredible product. We're back on Kickstarter to launch 4 entirely new adventure hoodies, each one epic in its own way. The Waypoint Adventure Hoodie is our 5th evolution of the original, this time garment dyed for extra softness and a premium vintage look. Our new Woolly Adventure Hoodie is made with luxurious Sherpa fleece on the outside and inside. The new Shepherd Adventure Hoodie is even warmer. With its deep Sherpa fleece, it takes cozy to a whole new level. And the Patrol Adventure Hoodie, which is water-resistant, fleece-lined, and truly ready for any adventure that life throws at you. Each Adventure Hoodie has 8 thoughtfully engineered pockets designed so you can carry everything you need, including 2 cargo pockets, a sleeve pocket for small essentials, a sunglass pocket for when day turns to night, and an inside zippered security pocket. And our patented insulated beverage pocket that holds your drink right where you need it. There are smart details to make life even easier, and every adventure hoodie turns into an incredibly soft travel pillow. Our flagship hoodie is the Waypoint. This is the hoodie that started it all. This new generation is garment dyed for a rich vintage look. It's pre-shrunk, and every detail has been improved in every possible way. The Waypoint also has cuff mittens to keep your hands warm, and you can find it in 6 new colors on our Kickstarter page. The Shepherd Adventure Hoodie takes comfort to an entirely new level. Crafted with lush Sherpa fleece fabric inside and out, it's even softer than it looks. And then there is the Woolly Adventure Hoodie for people who want exceptional comfort and standout style. Crafted from luxurious Sherpa fleece, it's a hoodie that looks as incredible as it feels. And along with every adventure hoodie, it's designed with 8 pockets that you'll wonder how you ever live without. And finally, there's the Patrol Adventure Hoodie, built to handle the elements while keeping you warm and dry. With a water-resistant outer layer and a soft fleece lining, it's durable, comfortable, and ready for anything. And just like the Waypoint, it has cuff mittens for an extra layer of warmth. It's truly ready for any adventure you find yourself in. Back this Kickstarter, and you're getting more than just a hoodie. You're getting the best hoodie you'll ever own. This campaign gives you first access, color options only available during this campaign, and a price you'll never see again. Life is an adventure. Get one of these.